Okay, so I guess it's time that I should start. So hi guys, hi everyone, hi out there, and it's a very different time for me and a different time for you guys. Um, Hello from US and hello India, and it's been a while that I haven't spoken and I haven't come live. So here's a very good morning to you guys and a good night for me because यहाँ पर रात के 3 बज रहे हैं और आपके यहाँ पर 12:30 हो रहे हैं. So it's a very different time zone altogether. So please cooperate with me, bear with me because it's 3 a.m. right now over here. रात के 3 बज रहे हैं and this is the most awkward time or the weirdest time that I've ever come on live. Obviously, I don't think anyone would be coming at live at this point of time at 3 a.m. So it's just for you people because obviously we have this time difference and I wanted to interact with you and I thought the safest time zone will be a daytime for you guys and a night time because the other time if we go the other way then it can be a early morning for me and then a night time for you. Night time you guys won't be available. Morning I won't be able to wake up. So so yeah. So I think this is the most safest time. It is 3 a.m. Again I'm telling you for me. So if I look sleepy, if I look dead, exhausted, please forgive me and please understand and cooperate. So hi guys, how are you? I hope everyone's doing very good back in India. And of course India is going through a lot of tough times, but I am really looking every day. I'm keeping a check on what's happening with the country, with everyone out there. Hi Abhilash, how are you man? आई होप कि बहुत जल्द चीज़ें सब ठीक हो जाए और हम जल्द अपनी नॉर्मल ज़िंदगी वापस शुरू करें. सो या हाय एवरीवन, हाय ओरियो. So everyone asking me how am I? I'm very good. I'm doing really good, and it's been a good break for me. And I've been resting out here in Michigan. I am in United States currently. For the people who don't know as of yet. So and also I'm enjoying my holiday and I'm taking a good break and I'm working out. That's my usual routine. I work out, I eat healthy. You must have seen it in my stories as well. It's just about eating healthy and working out and sleeping and yes, looking after myself basically overall. Are you planning to visit Chicago? Yes, I'm planning to visit Chicago when this month end, most probably, because my friend stays over there, and I think when I came here, I first came to Chicago itself, and then I came to Michigan. Anyway, so people, lots of questions. I'm sure people wanting to ask what's been happening, and I'm sure it's a tough time. If you guys want to ask any sort of questions to me, please go ahead, shoot. I will be happy to answer. I'll try my best to answer. And apart from that, I hope it's all good out there. Situation is getting better because I have been checking every day and I'm getting to know that the cases are falling, which is very good. People are getting vaccinated more day by day, which is also very good. So yeah, I mean, I'm really happy that that slowly and steadily it's getting back to normalcy. The country is getting back to normalcy. We can get back to our shooting lives. We can start shooting also. Hi Pooja, how are you? Well, I'm so good, yeah, and I hope you're really doing good. And I don't know whether you're shooting right now or no, or whether shooting has resumed or no, but I hope if not, and I'm sure, I'm pretty much sure that you're enjoying your family life because you're good at that. You enjoy, you travel, you do everything. So yeah, you're like me only. So yeah, again, let me put it this way. It's 3 a.m. and I'm having coffee at 3 a.m. just to keep myself up for you guys. Well, I don't want to like put it on you guys, but yeah, this is something that I'm actually doing it just to make sure that I stay up. It's 3 a.m. This is the usual time that I sleep. It's not like I would be lying if I tell you that I sleep early, but I sleep around this time only. And yes, Pooja, thank you so much. enjoy. See you soon in India. Well, Hussein, get Irshad while I come. No, I think you will have to ask Irshad, because Irshad will ask his wife whether he can travel or no, and then you'll get your answer. पार्ले जी, अमित भैया सब ठीक है यार, आप कैसे हो? एंड आप बोल रहा हूँ मैं. It's a different timeline, bro. It's just 3 a.m. and I'm sure that you are one of those people that I'm constantly in touch, and I'm keeping a check on what's been happening, and I hope everyone's good at your end. Yeah, inshallah, I'll see you soon. Apart from that, who else? Well, let's see. Thanks, Yashvi. Thank you so much. Well, this glow, I don't know, maybe because of the winter or something, but yeah, this is 3 a.m. glow. If you want to put it that way, 3 a.m. 3 बजे का glow है ये. So yeah, a lot of people are asking when am I returning. I don't know whether I'm actually. It's just so funny actually, because if you see it in a funny way, the people who are asking me, obviously there are some of my friends that I want to answer, but most of the people I haven't even met them, and I don't know why they keep asking me why am I coming back, as if they are waiting at the airport for me to receive, so that they could meet up. I haven't met them in years, or I've never met them. But anyway, I'll be coming this month end, and hopefully by then situation should obviously be better, and I'm looking forward to start working and resume, and I'm looking forward that shoots gets resumed very soon. So yes, few people are asking me whether I'm a part of any show right now. Well, let me put it this way: I'm not part of any Big Boss show. I'm not doing anything, and as you can see, I'm in US, and I'm on a vacation, and I'm on a break, and I'm actually looking after myself, and I'm just looking after my health. Yeah, that's it. Please tell us something about my next project. Well, yes, I am doing a web show, and it is a very nice web show on a very renowned platform, and you guys will get to know it very soon. That's what I can say for now. But the show is in itself is a very individual. It has a very individual identity to it, and I can't say much on it, but I can only say that yes, I'm looking forward. It was supposed to start in the month of April, and in Goa, and it stopped unfortunately because of COVID, and it didn't happen. And now we are on a break, waiting for shoots to resume, for everything to get back to normal, so that we can start off peacefully, and we can shoot in a very controlled environment and safe environment, because safety is what matters right now. Well, people asking me about Kaisi Hai Yaariyan season 4. I'm sure that smile comes whenever you hear the word, and it's very crazy. And I met a lot of people in US also who actually watch Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, and a lot of girls, a lot of women, and a lot of people have watched it and appreciated my work, and I actually find it very nice. I mean, it's something to be proud of, and I really like it when people actually have watched something which I've done a couple of years back, not only now recently, but yeah, it's something a part of me, and I like it. And I want to make sure, if you're asking me about season 4, let's put it this way: I am not the producer or the director or the creative person. If you want to ask anyone, ask the channel, ask the writers, or ask the creative directors, ask whoever, but don't ask me. I am anyway up for season 4, and yes, you heard it right, I am up for season 4, and if that works out, it should work out, so you guys will get to know. So you guys, if you want to ask this question about season 4 of Kaisi Hai Yaariyan, please go ahead. You can ask not me, but the channel, of course, and then you'll get your answers from them. What is the proceeding? Is it happening? Is it not happening? You'll get a better idea over that, instead of just hoping. I'm sure it's not it's not easy, and you guys have sticked around. I mean, you guys have stuck around for so long, hoping for a fresh new season, and a lot of people have actually compared that show to. I mean. One of my favorite shows, not one of my favorite shows, but also one of our favorite shows, the world's favorite shows, Friends. So that is like I feel very nice and proud that actually people love Casey Arias so much. So I'm glad. Anyway, so that's where your answer is for season 4. And well, let's say what else. Hi Nidhi, how are you? What's up? So Anupri, hi everyone, Kasauti fans, of course. I'm sure you guys must be wanting to see more of Anurag or something of that sort. Very sorry for that, but yeah, I had a great time working on Kasauti also. And whoever has watched and loved Anupri, that is Anurag and Prerna, I'm sure that you guys must be wanting more of it. But yes, I'm very glad that Erica is doing something. Season 3 for her, the show that she had done prior to Kasauti, and I wished her all the very best, and I'm so happy for her, and I'm sure the show would do really good because the pairing was really nice, the chemistry was really nice for the show. That's what I'd heard, and there was a good amount of fans that loved the show, so I'm sure she will get a lot of love and appreciation for that. What else? Anything else apart from people please take my name and all, because I don't understand the logic of taking your names. I mean, please, there are so many people, how can I take individual names? I'm really sorry for that. So what else? If people want to ask any sort of questions, please go ahead. I'm sure I will try to answer. Oh yes, someone actually praising Hero. Thank you so much for actually appreciating. And yes, if I'm not wrong, I came live during Hero, but post that I couldn't come. So here I am, and thank you so much for your appreciation. I'm glad that you guys liked it and loved it, and actually did a lot of trending also. I was very much aware of that you guys were active on Twitter. Unfortunately, I wasn't, and for some reasons I don't know, I can't tell you guys, but nothing scary. But yeah, it's really stupid. But yeah, I'm glad that you guys were making it trend. Not only the show, but also the characters and the release date and everything, the build up. So you guys did your part, and I'm so grateful, and thank you so much to all the Parthians who were always there to support the show, to love the show. And I'm sure that you guys enjoyed the show, and hopefully there should be season 2 as well, so that you could enjoy more of it. So yeah, let's see. Well, Nancy is asking me when am I getting married. So I don't know. I mean, do I look like marriage material? I don't think so. Um, I can't handle myself. I'm not a responsible person. How will I be responsible for another person? No, I'm just kidding. But it's just that it's not the right time for me, and I'm sure there would be someone for me special. So let's see as time goes. If it's in your destiny, you will get married. Yeah, I can't believe that I'm saying that, but yeah, somewhere right now I'm not giving marriage as any sort of priority for now. Anyway, so what else? Any sort of other questions that people want to hit me? Please hit me up, and I will try to answer. Hi Ramesha, there I took your name. What's your next project? So yeah, I've clearly answered that it's a web show, and it will be for a short time, and it's a good show. It's a big show, and it'll be happening soon. It didn't happen because of the current scenario, unfortunately, in India. And safety is what matters right now, and we have to be really safe. So we were actually trying to make sure that the shoot happens very smoothly, and that should obviously happen in when we have our peace of mind. So hopefully this month things should resolve and we should get back to normalcy, and very soon we'll be able to shoot again. Why do I call Hina madam? Um, well, actually, I really, to be honest, I have a certain admiration towards women and to all the ladies, and that's how I address people. It's not just Hina, but I address every other female or every other girl uh, with madam, because that's something that I feel that it's that I should respect, and that's my habit. I mean, that's my way to address people, address girls. So there's nothing personal about it, and of course, apart from that, as a person, Hina is a very courageous and strong human being, and I love her for that, and I totally respect her. I admire the way she carries herself and the way she's confident about herself. And of course, there was a tough time that she was going through, and I truly understand how it is. And I'm sure she is in a better place right now, and she's resumed back to her work. And I wish her all the very best for that. What else? Jona Pratima. Thank you, Jona. Thank you so much. Scarlett, I don't know whether you messaged me or no, but people are saying that you messaged me. If I've lost it, I'm really sorry, but there are too many messages just flowing. So if you're there, hi Scarlett, what's up? If you're there, just reply. I hope you're doing good, and I shall see you very soon in Goa. And yeah, I mean, I heard something about Goa also. The weather's being really bad, acting really weird, and I hope everything's good right now. And also the cases and everything regarding COVID. And please, um, if you get your appointment, whoever is there in India, please get yourself vaccinated. It's for your safety. It's for your family's safety. Excuse me. When am I coming back? Scarlett is asking me. So yeah, Scarlett, I'm coming this month end, and well, yeah, there's a month to go, and I don't know. I mean, let's see. If situation is really good, then I will plan it as soon as possible. But I just hope that situation actually becomes better with time. Mahir is asking, can you come to Bangladesh once? Yes, I would love to come to Bangladesh, because that's a region I've been actually listening to, especially Dhaka. I've been listening to since Yaria times, and there's a huge chunk of fans over there who's been watching KC Yaria since the longest time and have liked my work. So I would love to go over there. So please, guys, invite me if it's possible. I would love to come over there and meet you and have a nice fan meet and greet and everything, and would like to spend time with you. So yeah, please, if I get a chance, please invite me. Thank you so much for everyone, and anything else that you would want to ask me or something, please go ahead. I've been trying to understand your questions and trying to answer whatever I can. For now, in US, I'm just on a break right now, and I'm just focusing on my health, and making sure that I become a better person uh, in terms of physical, the way I look physically, and I'm just making sure that I kind of sort of gain confidence, because I don't know whether you guys must have seen my recent posts on Instagram. It must be about fitness, it must be about confidence, it must be about happiness. So yeah, sometimes I feel that when you start focusing on your health and looking after yourself, you tend to become more confident and happy, and the way you carry yourself, and the way your agility is, your flexibility is, it becomes nice, and it reaches to a certain level where you are also very internally confident about it. So yeah, amongst all sorry, I missed that question. I don't know. Your dance reel was amazing. Well, let's see. I mean, over here, I'm just, again, like you guys, also cutting my time. So just trying something new. Dancing, yes, there would be something more also. Apart from dancing, I'm making some more reels for you guys. And dancing also, I'll try to do something if I find very interesting. I would love to dance more on it. And there will be soon more videos coming on it. Sonal share favorite food. So currently, I've been munching a lot of Lebanese food. I don't know why. I mean, for the past 2 3 months, I've been craving for hummus a lot, and I love hummus. I don't know why, but I've been having Lebanese food a lot. So I've been munching Lebanese food currently. So I have these phases, I think, and currently my phase is Lebanese food. Yeah, regarding food. Thank you so much for liking Hero, who people who have been very kind to me. So again, people are asking me about Hero. So yes, thank you so much, and there will be soon season two, hopefully. And I'm glad that you guys loved it. It was a lot of hard work, and a lot of people uh, put their efforts into it. So yeah. फेवरेट गेम कौन सा है आपका? मेरा फेवरेट गेम है फुटबॉल, एंड आई प्ले, एंड आई ऑल्सो प्ले ऑन प्ले स्टेशन, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई प्ले. Can you sing a song for us? I don't know. I haven't sung a song, but don't raise your expectations or raise your hopes. I'm not singing, not this time. But I guess next time, I promise you guys that next time I will sing. Before that, obviously, I have to train also. So yeah, I will start training myself because I haven't. I'm not singing these days at all. So yeah. Favorite color, I'm sure a lot of people know it. It's red, and then it's white and black. So people are asking me about Big Boss. No, I'm not part of Big Boss, and that's not true. And I am in US currently, United States. I'm in Michigan. I'm staying in Michigan for the longest time. And if people are asking me ki where am I exactly, so yes, I'm in Michigan, Canton. That's the city's name. So also, like you guys, I have been also binge watching some shows over here lately, and I watched uh, Cobra Kai. You guys should watch it. It's an amazing show. It's about karate. It's about high school, and it brings me back memories of college and all. I love that show. And if you guys are in for some humor, some comedy, and some action with it, some karate with it, so please, you guys should watch Cobra Kai. It's highly recommended on Netflix, and you will love it. You won't regret it. You love it. So it's funny, and I loved it. I finished up all the 3 seasons. I'm in fact now waiting for the season fourth, but there's still time to go. Yeah. Are you in love with Hyderabad city? Someone asked me. I would just say that I'm in love with the food of Hyderabad, and of course, a lot of my friends stay over there, so I keep going over there frequently, and I have good company over there. I always have good times over there regarding food, regarding friends. So yeah, Hyderabad is one of the fastest developing city of the country. So yeah, really nice. So what else? Yes, Khalid, I'm in love with Hyderabad biryani, and I'm in love with Hyderabad food overall, everything about it. Someone asked me, have you watched Heroes on Prime? Yes, I have watched Heroes on Prime. and oh no, sorry, that is Boys. No, I've watched Boys. Heroes I haven't watched. If it's good, I'll definitely have a look. Till when will you be in US? Well, this month end, June end tak. Then mostly I will be coming back to India. Mera des, it's been a while since I haven't seen my country, and I hope that it really gets better and better and better every day, and we all are working towards it equally, and I hope that we all are back to our happy normal lives. Show your coffee mug. Okay, so this is my coffee mug. Yeah, it's simple. I don't know what you want to see on it. There's nothing fancy on this. PS5 is waiting for me in Goa. Scarlett is saying, no, Scarlett, PS5, I already have it. That too in Mumbai. That is already there. So, yeah. I'm sure you also have one. I saw it. Yeah. Enjoy. Take my name, say my name, take my name, say my name, say my name, say my name. Say my name is the name of the song. Say my name, say my name. Oh, yeah. David Guetta. Yeah. I have danced on that song a lot. A lot. Yeah. Anyway, so what else? Is there a possibility of returning of KYY? Please, you guys should ask the makers and the channel, and it'll be easy for you guys to understand. That's the whole logic to it. I am an actor, not a producer or a director or the maker. Yeah. So what else? If anyone else wanting to ask something, how is lockdown going? Well, lockdown is going fine for me, and I've been, like I said, I've been just looking after myself, and I'm like into fitness like crazy, and I just think about what I eat, how many calories do I have to burn, everything. It's just looking after myself. Nothing great as of now. Apart from that, I'm just making videos here and there, shooting. Not shooting, I mean clicking pictures, of course. The usual stuff that you guys do, we do, everyone does. Do you watch Telugu movies? Yes, I do watch Telugu movies. I love Telugu films. Currently, last year, I watched a lot of Telugu films when I was in Hyderabad. Legend at ignoring me. I don't know what that is. I couldn't read your name, but yeah, I read what you mentioned. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. What else? I've been trying to read what interesting can I find, and then when am I coming to Varanasi? Varanasi is one of the places that I've never been, and I don't know. Firstly, I have to come back to India, and then I have to figure out where do I have to go, and for that, traveling should be safe over there. Well, yes, that reminds me, I am vaccinated. I took my both the jabs, so yeah, that way I'm pretty much safe, and yeah, I mean, I'm sure that I really hope, I truly hope that you guys also get vaccinated as soon as possible, ASAP. Please try. If you have the appointment, don't miss out. Please go for it. And I'm sure there is a lot of shortage over there. I've been listening to it, so I hope that as time passes, the production grows and everything, and you're able to get your vaccine shots, and then just focus on your life and not worry about COVID anymore. Have you ever been to Lucknow? No, Lucknow is also one of the places that I haven't been. I really wish to visit Lucknow. Unfortunately, I've never been. And there are too many cities that I've been multiple times, but Lucknow is not one of them. And even Jaipur, for that matter. Jaipur, I've been planning since ages, but I haven't been. So Jaipur and Lucknow is there in my mind that I want to travel. What's my next project? People are asking me, so let's just say that it's on a It's a web show on a web platform. It's a big show. That's what I can say. And it was about to start in April, but it didn't start because of the current situation in India. And now they're figuring how to start and how to resume smoothly. So they're just waiting for situation to get back to normal. So let's just say hopefully it should be normal by July or August, and then we can start our shoot. Thoughts on Tamil Nadu? I mean, I don't know. I mean, thoughts on Tamil Nadu means what? As a state, as cinema people, I don't know what you are asking. But if it's cinema, I love Tamil cinema. I actually watch a lot of South Indian cinema. I watch Tamil, Malayalam, Telugu. Yeah. What is your favorite Telugu movie? I would say currently I have watched Agent Sai Srinivasan. Yeah, yeah, that's one of the films that I really love. The humor in the film and the way it's been shot and the content of it, very nicely done. Shubhi is saying you love South Indians, Baba. Well, yeah, I guess somehow I'm trying to figure out why and why is there so much of connection with South Indians. And me, the one, can I talk to you? Do you watch Kannad? No, I haven't watched Kannad. Unfortunately, I haven't watched Kannad. Jaipur is epic place, beautiful. Yes, I want to go to Jaipur very soon. Shubhi, hope you're doing really good, and I hope that everything's done over there, as in regarding vaccine shots and all for you. If not, then please get it done as soon as possible, and I shall see you very soon once I get back over there. I hope everything's good at your end. Take care. Cheers. What about Ajmer? Ajmer, I loved. I've been to Ajmer. Yes, I went over there once, and it was beautiful. It was pure. I just felt that I got connected with the energy over there. Yeah. Have I watched Friends Reunion? Yes, I have watched Friends Reunion. How can I miss out on that? If people have seen my stories, I have watched it, and it is truly one of the best shows ever made, and it is a legendary show, and it's an emotional one. The reunion was very emotional, and it just made us cry and cry and cry. It touched us like anything. It was nice. Loved it. Hi, Anurag Sharma from Tarapur. Thank you so much for liking Hero. Thank you so much for liking Hero. Thank you so much. What about Manhattan? Well, yes, I'll be visiting New York. That's my immediate plan. I'll be visiting New York on 7th of this month, which is a Monday. For a week, I'll be there. That is my next plan. And after that, I'll be coming back to Michigan. So yeah, I am going to New York on 7th for some time, and I'm sure US people are not even watching this because it's already late. It is around 3:30. Yes, yes, guys, it's 3:30 over here. 3:30 a.m. That's correct. It's not afternoon, and it's not evening. It's late night, early morning, in fact. And it's afternoon for you guys. So you guys are very lucky that you guys have just started your day. Your day has just begun. I am. It's 3:30 a.m. over here, and it's just exhausting right now because it's my time to sleep. I hope you understand that. Yeah. Say something about hero co-actors. Well, how do I start? I mean, I had such a great time shooting with everyone over there, and it was such a happy bunch of people and talented actors. In fact, I was appreciating them here and there if I could when I was watching their efforts, their hard work, and their acting, their performances. I was, in fact, I was at times learning from them. So I had great time working with Jagan. Jagan is one of the most nicest souls that I've met, and he's a sweetheart, and I love him for that. And apart from that, I had a great time with even Yakub, for that matter. He was a great friend. He used to accompany me most of the times, and on and off the screen. So he was a great lad. Apart from him, Mushtaq was very sweet, and he used to give me a lot of insights about, I mean, the world, knowledge. Very knowledgeable person, I would say. Apart from that, Saula is one of the most hardworking actors that I've met, and very passionate and very into the character. And I actually appreciated him a couple of times. So yeah, I learned a lot from a lot many people. Be it Mastan, I learned because he's an amazing talent. He's an amazing actor, and I learned a lot from Dada Bhai, and a lot. He's a great, exceptional actor. And last but not the least, of course, Arslan. I had a great time with him. It used to be fun shooting with him always. And I hope we catch up really soon. And I hope we have a good time. And I hope he's really doing good, because I haven't heard anything in some time, in a while. But I hope he's doing really good. And I wish him all the very best. And I had a great time shooting with him. And I hope that we catch up really soon. Did you watch The Family Man? Yes, I watched Family Man season 1. I don't know whether season 2 is out. The last I checked it was coming in June, somewhere June first week. I don't know when it's releasing. Is it released yet? If it's released, then I'll definitely watch it. That's something to binge watch. Yeah. Love you a lot for Hero. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yes, I love Bengali food. Okay, anyway, guys, it's 3:30 over here. 3:30 a.m. Again, I'm just stressing on the a.m. A lot. Sorry, my bad. But yeah, I have to remind you guys that it's 3:30 a.m. and I have to go to sleep, and I have to push off, and I'm signing out. And also, I had a great time talking to you guys. I will definitely come back really soon. And it was just for you guys that I stood awake, and made sure that I wanted to talk to you. And please forgive me if I'm looking really dull or sleepy or just tired or exhausted, because I am. It's 3:30 a.m. again. Again, I said that. Well, yes. Have a good day, and it's Friday. I mean, the weekend has just begun, so have a great weekend ahead, and happy weekend. And I should also enjoy the weekend as well. And please, good morning to you, good afternoon to you. Have a really nice day, and good night to me. And lovely talking to you guys. Thank you so much for being here talking to me. I had a great time answering your questions. If I am not able to take your names, I'm sorry for that. And hopefully next time we'll be able to catch up really soon. And it was great talking to each and everyone out there, and to all my friends also. Take care, and good morning. Cheers. Take care. Bye bye. Take care. And I'm just having a look about how to exit. But yeah, I found it finally. Take care.